Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're gonna jump in on the Monty Hall series because I want to touch on. I'm gonna do two videos in between because I think this is a perfect place for them. I was wondering when we'd get to them, and I think this will do. So all right, we're gonna touch on nested functions. So all right, just like we've done nested for loops. Nested functions, same principle. So we are going to touch on, let's see, expo. So alright, and what we're gonna do is, it's gonna look weird at first, but it'll make sense after we do this a couple of times. So alright. So this is going to return x to the power of n. Then this is going to return, which this is weird, but we'll do this a couple of times. So this returns this. So basically the order of operations is it reads this into memory, returns this, then processes this. So you have to assign this accordingly. So here we're going to create a function or a variable, which is, we call the function what we want to raise to the power. Now this is going to look really weird. Now this is, for all intents and purposes, so you can think about it, this is a function because you're digging in deeper and deeper. So you just created a function square, and let's then square 2. Close it out, run this, ta-da. Oops, as you can see, that's still hiding in the background, so let me fix that. Alright, got that fixed, sorry about that. So now let's do cube x3, so then we print cube, and let's cube 2. We gotta close it out, and then we run this, lo and behold, 4 and 8. So these are, and for those of you who know where I'm kind of going, we're building in slowly to some very complicated features of Python, but that's why I'm doing this. This is why I love this. There are there are tons of ways to solve problems with Python, and I absolutely love it. So next time we're going to look at variables that are layered in here, because there's one more thing about scope and types of variables that we haven't touched on. But this is your nested functions, and this is an awesome technique and an awesome use of it. And there's a better way to do it, but if this is easier for you to understand, this works wonderfully. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests, and I will get right to them. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.